I typed up a direction here for you to justify by angles and by ratios. There's direction up there to justify that these two triangles are similar by angles and by ratios. So let's start with congruency on angles, congruent angles. So we'll start with angle D right there is congruent to angle D prime. These are the things that makes triangles similar. They're not congruent, but it makes them similar. So all the angles have to be the same. To be similar, one rule is all the angles have to be the same. So angle E has to be congruent to angle E prime. Just similar, not the angle F is congruent to angle F prime. Now, what also makes them congruent, not congruent, similar. Congruent, it means exactly alike. These are not exactly alike. These are similar. One's big and one's small. Okay, that's what makes them similar. They're the exact same shape, but they're shrunk or large. This is shrunk. This is called reduction. This went from the big to a small. That's called a reduction. It's less than 1. Okay? So, angle, so line segment from point of origin P to D, that is equivalent to like that. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey.
Same time tomorrow? You want to hear tomorrow?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Same time, right?
Is it okay with her?
It's okay with you, right? Yes, it's okay with her.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, plus I'll bring your card so you can call in next time.
Okay, thanks.
Alright.
Bye. Okay, so P, B, D prime, the proportion of that is equal to the ratio of that, it's equal to the ratio of P to F prime. Oh, not E prime, sorry, F prime, and P to F. Okay, and that is equal to, all these proportions are the same now. P to E prime is proportionate to P to E. All these, if you put them as a fraction, they're all equal after you reduce them. Okay, we proved that yesterday. Okay, same thing here. You need to write that. For these two triangles to be congruent, not congruent, similar. Okay, for these two triangles to be similar, angle A has to be congruent to angle D. Angle B has to be congruent to angle E. Angle C has to be congruent. That means exactly the same as angle F. Now, by line segment, by point, the center of dilation, we say that PA over PD, this ratio is equivalent or equal to PC over PF. Okay, and that is equal to PB, the ratio of PB over PE. That's your answer. Okay, the next one, more of these stuff. Man. Okay, this is the last one of these. Good thing. They're not uploaded again, okay? So, angle F. For it to be similar, these two triangles are similar, not congruent, but similar. One's big, one's small. The angles all have to be the same or congruent. The corresponding angle F. Angle F is congruent to its corresponding angle X. Okay, corresponding angle G is congruent to corresponding angle Y. Angle G is congruent to its corresponding angle Y. Angle H is congruent to its corresponding angle Z. Okay? And then we can say PF, ratio P, not PE, PF over PX has to equal to, the fractions all have to equal to PH over PZ. And that has to equal to PG over PY. Okay, the ratios have to all equal. If these two things don't work, the two triangles are not similar. Okay? If these things don't work, you have to check. If they ever ask you if it's similar or not, you need to check and make sure the ratios are the same and all the angles are the same, are congruent. Okay? That's the end of that one. I'm going to upload.